Hey guys, we're here with James Houghton. He just dropped off his TSX. We're gonna do some work to it for him. I think we've convinced him to put one of our new shifters in there. James will tell you a little bit of how we were able to convince him and maybe tell you a little bit about his car.
Hi, I'm James Houghton, driver of the number 41 Acura TSX in GridLife GLTC series. We were second in the points last year. We've won 14 times in this car with that shifter that's in that car. So the shifter that's in the car right now, we put it in 2020. So it's had 5 years of abuse, and I have a reputation for being hard on stuff. We've never had a problem with it. It's been awesome. I've driven the new 10th gen shifter in another car before. I really liked it. John would like to, to retrofit this car for it.
I think it's a nice update to
I mean,
car.
It makes sense to use the newest parts.
Sure. Yeah.
And when I drove it in the other car, I really liked it a lot. We're gonna get that in there over the next few days. I think it's gonna be really good. The shifter that's in the car ran, I don't know, probably almost 100 races or something like that.
Probably, yeah.
All the wins right here is the win list. Every win was with that shifter that's in the car. And the shifter that generation of shifter is also the shifter that we used in the Time Attack Integra. So I have been using the same generation of shifter since 2012. So this is a big change for me. This is 13 years with the same shifter.
Yeah.
But I'm excited for the new one. It works really well in the other car, and I think it's going to be a great fit.
I think it'll be good. I think it'll be a good mix for him. So I guess, James, next time you see me, car will be ready. You're either going to love me or you're going to hate me. I'm pretty confident you're going to like it.
I think it's going to be really good. I really look forward to it.
Well, look who it is.
Are you done yet?
I think so. We'll see. You got to shift backwards now, but you'll get used to it.
So like, first is back here for a second?
Yeah.
Oh, that's exciting.
It'll give the guys that you're racing against a chance.
Looks really good.
You like that?
It's not been through hell and back, this one.
No, I know. When we took the other one out, it was horrible looking.
Yeah, hop
Anyways,
in and feel it out.
Check it out.
John, I was worried about the shifter location.
And?
It's perfect.
It's good, eh? No, we put it in the exact same spot. I marked it before I took your TSX shifter out. Where I was able to use one of the original holes that were in there for the original shifter. We had to put in 3 more holes. So, but how does it feel? Mechanical enough for you?
Feels really, really good. The old one didn't feel. It's impressive how not tired the old one still felt. You know what? I still felt pretty fresh. I know I had a little tiny bit of play in it.
I think it was like, the 5 years of using it. You just like, as you wore it, you got used to it. It wasn't like, a new shifter to an old shifter.
Most shifters are probably not going to end up with this much like sand and silt and crap, from off tracks at Lime Rock and stuff like that.
Yeah,
so this one should feel pretty fresh with fresh bearings and stuff like that in it. Even your choice of height and everything like that, I think is, I don't think I would adjust anything on it. I think we're ready to rip.
You like the shift knob, a little different than what you had before?
Yeah. I'm kind of an interesting person. I like a wider side-to-side throw and a shorter fore and aft throw. But I think it's pretty close to where I would choose to have it right now, just right off the bat. John, shifter's feeling great. Can't wait to rip it out of Road Atlanta in a couple of weeks. We'll see everyone there.
Okay, go.